Hop, hop, hop. I hope I caught that on video. Holy shit. Holy, it's a lot of snow. The snow is falling. Isn't that right, Molly? Bill, are you taking shelter? Yeah, she's taking shelter under the trees. Even though it's snowing a lot, I must say that it's a lovely day today. Vilde, you don't have to eat, okay? You don't have to copy Molly's bad behavior. What are you doing? Okay, ta pinnen och spring. Now that's your stick for today, okay? You broke one stick, that's it. Nay, Molly. Now what I've been doing the last couple of days is just gathering all my strength every day so I can manage to go out with the dogs. You are always searching for some grass to eat. Like, why does it taste so good, Vilde? Molly found another stick. Seems that she's enjoying it. Yeah. So she removes all the sticks that is pointing out. Whoa. I shouldn't laugh, but damn, you are crazy, Molly. Watch out! I'm really no, lost. I'm really scared that it's gonna point your eye. Wait, lost, Molly, lost. I can remove them. Let's just break it. Oh, maybe not. Akta, Molly. Akta. Yeah, here you go. Varsågod. Ta den och spring. Of course, Vilde goes for that one. Vilde, come. Good job. No, Vilde. Up. What the hell? I wonder if I can Molly to jump over here. Nah, it's too... That is too risky. Molly, titta! Molly, titta! Hopp! Hopp!
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Hopp!
Come and fly away with me.
I hope I caught that on video. Holy shit! 1 week after I filmed this, I did a live stream, and this is where I got the idea to let Molly jump over this obstacle. As you see, Molly is jumping over it without any problem. But on the live stream, I did a mistake and I did not remove Vilde when Molly was about to jump. Molly, hop! Hop! As I said on the live stream, nothing happened with Molly. She's okay. I mean, she didn't get hurt. The tree was actually elastic, so that took away a lot from the impact. Vilde, come. You gotta watch out. Molly's gonna do a jump. Come on. So this is what I should have done. Take Vilde away and let Molly jump alone. Stanna. Molly, titta! Titta pinnen! Hopp! Bra! Alright, that was the stunt of today. Molly, you are impressive. I must say, you are really impressive. This is a far gap. I mean, first you're gonna jump over this, that is no problem. Obviously, Vilde can even do that. But then it's quite long. It's longer than the shovel. And it's maybe, I don't know how tall it is.
But anyway, that's quite cool. Good job, Molly. You're really cool. You're a cool dog. Man, even I can't jump over this. Especially not now. I will bash my head into this.
Wow, that's ironic.
Damn it. Vilde, can you jump? What? You could jump. Hop. Bra. Hop. Bra. Hop. 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 Tack. Stanna. Hopp. Okej, duktig! Molly, come on, that tree hasn't done anything to you. Come on. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was a decent and entertaining video, even though I am sick. But at least I got to show off some skills of these two fantastic dogs. So as I've been saying many times, like, if you enjoyed this video, press the like button. First of all, it really helps the channel out. It gives me a higher reach to other people, which will make the channel grow, which obviously will lead to more videos so I can put more time on it. But also it helps me know what you guys enjoy to watch and not. So alright, thank you guys for watching.